What is the difference between hiking and trekking, the terrain, the route map, the compass, everything. How do you do? You are going through a navigational point of Rewa River. How many of you have seen Rewa River? So in the Rewa River, if you go by the Rewa River, if you touch Amarkantak and come back, that's a hike. Wonderful place, wonderful locale, wonderful bird watching scenarios. You would see wonderful wildlife photographers sitting there. So that's also a hike. You go to Tunganath and Chandrashila and come back to Chopta, that's a hike. When you start from point A and come back to point A, and you do not take your ration to point A, point B, that's hike. Hike does not last more than 6 to 8 kilometers or touching at a particular sustainable height of 10,000. Otherwise, the trekking, the world of class of trekking started from the defense. We used to call it point-to-point march or route marching, patrolling, right? These are the very famous ways of trekking. Risk and safety measures that we take during the hiking and trekking, because last 2 years we have seen enough amount of life lost in the hills, right? Passion is good as long as it has been done with a cautiousness and little knowledge. Without knowledge, passion is very difficult. So what happens is, when you go in a terrain, right, you start your hike from Chopta, right, ground zero, we call it base. Within 2 hours, you are from 6,000 feet, you are climbing to 11,500 feet. Chandrashila is 13,200 feet. Within 4 hours, you are climbing from 6,000 to 13,000. So your kidney is starving, your lungs is starving, your brain is starving. What happens? Hypoxia, cerebral edema, right? So what do you need to do? Go off to sleep for at least 6 hours. Don't move. Take small meals, go off to sleep. 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Your palpitation rate should come down to 85. It should touch 85, not 90, 85. If it is more, then you should go to a doctor. Why? The training before trekking is very important. The first thing, your weather. If weather says that aaj barish hoga, so automatically this poncho, this thing, your trek leader says, keep your band-aids and all in handy. Why? Because you have got a moraine zone, you might fall down. Got a wonderful place called Decathlon where you get everything available. A, upper part, accessibility. क्या होना चाहिए? Health and safety, medical equipment, sunshades, your knife, small knife, right? Your survival kit, how to pack it. Your rucksack should be balanced, right? If you put a rucksack and you keep it like this, it should be able to stand by its own. If your rucksack is not balanced, it will start swindling around, here. Number C, compressed. Your rucksack should not have, idhar se bhi haath ghus raha hai, idhar se bhi haath ghus raha hai. Right, it's moving, this pack is moving from this side, this pack is moving from this side. Number D, done above the all. You see a sweat bag, right? When basically there you carry the poncho. Poncho is the thing which covers the rucksack cover, you call it. Done above the all. So you know what is the last part. This is the Quechua tent. This is a family tent, right? 4+. Always remember, don't pitch the camp in a haste. Spend some time with the family to put it right. Everybody should face the tent exit so that anything happens, you crawl out. Move out. ओके, एंड ये प्रैक्टिस होता है. Now, this is a jacket. Trekking jackets are something which are different from normally worn jackets. Okay? These jackets which you see, very wonderful jackets, right? Lightweight, he has got air puff, and it can certain time it can protect the from the snow blizzard also. Most important thing is you should have this. Don't go for any jacket which does not have a hood. Don't go for it while going for a trek. No jeans in trekking. No jeans. Jeans are totally no-no. Don't trek with your half pants. These are the perpetual trek pants. Made for trekking. मॉल में भी दिख जाते हैं, बहुत स्टाइलिश लगता है इसको पहनने के बाद. आदमी ट्रेन में भी चढ़ के चलता है इसको. I have seen them in airport also. Looks great, right? These are perpetual trek pants. Every section has a meaning. You see this part? Why do you need this chain? Now there is something called gaiters. You know what is gaiters? Though it is used for snow, when you wear a boot, you on top of that you wear those gaiters. In trekking, you cannot carry more load, right? 6-day trek, 1 changeover. 12 days trek, 2 changeover. The grips. These are called square grips. Why these square grips? Is it can grip like this, it can grip like this, it can grip, and important is it can grip like this. Now what happens is, yes, this can go. अगर आपके पास ankle cover shoes नहीं है, wear an anklet, right? Wear an anklet for a day hike, right? Now next what happens is, I am going for a trek, little higher, high altitude snow. Even this shoes might not impact. So we needed trekking boots. There are certain trekking boots, all weather trekking boots. You will get it in Falklands. Here it is there. So these things are very important. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for being a part of it. Yes.